What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, here we go. We have a good one. If you ever had to have changed a light bulb from, I don't know, a little bit higher than 30 feet, you might want to watch this video. That's right, 30 feet, maybe 35, I don't know. I bought the Daka. It's a Daka pole with the, I hope I'm saying this right, Daka, and it's a suction cup. I'm going to put the link in the description below, all right? So you check it out. It's on Amazon, and we're going to give this thing a shot. I tried it with one purchased from a Home Depot, one of those extension poles, and it just didn't work. So got on the old interweb there and did a little research, and they got this Daka. Let me see if I can take the box here. Ooh, I don't want to crash, but let me see. It's a little box. It's got a suction cup. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. It's a Daka, and it's a suction cup. A small little thing, and you have to buy the extension pole separate. So let's get to it and see if this thing actually works. All right, so what it comes with here, comes with the suction unit, a little metal cable to release the suction, and then this string here with a clip to run it all the way down your pole. So let's hook it all up. All right, so you're going to screw it on tight, and then you're going to tighten this nut so it doesn't loosen up. And you're going to take this little clip and clip it on here, clip it like this, and then unravel this and extend it all the way up and see if we can get that one right there. Right now, we got the extension hooked up. We got the string I just showed you. All right, you see it? You zoom in at the top there. And all you're going to do is you're just going to undo these little pieces here, and you see how far up you can go? You lock it with this little mechanism here, just lock it in place, and we're going to walk over to this light, the one that's been flashing on and off. If you can see, if you zoom in up there, see that light up there that's been flashing on and off? And we're going to loosen it. Always be careful, you're very high, just in case the bulb were to fall out. Alright, if it were to fall and hit you, just keep your heads up. Now we're going to lower these pieces. If you come over to my hand here, you want to just undo and lower one section at a time. Just be very careful. Should have had this in the beginning, bro. And if you look here, you can come close with the camera. This here, this cable releases the suction onto the bulb. So when you pull it, it takes it right off. Boom. All right, so you take your new bulb, and all you're going to do is you're going to apply pressure right onto the suction, right here, like this. All right, so it's on there, and we're going to just raise it back up. Be careful you don't pull the string and take the suction apart, but we're going to just go one section at a time. All right. Remember to lock the sections in place. All right. And we're going to go nice and easy if you want to zoom in up there.
Yep.
We're going to find our socket, and we're going to turn it and try to get it in place. All right. Now you want to take your string, you want to pull it, and it releases on the suction. And that's it. That's what we're going to, that's how you hook up a light up high in a room that's over 35, 40 feet up, and it's the Daka pole. Am I saying it right? Check out the link in the description below if you're interested in something like this. Hey, listen, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. What do we do now, bro? We look for Sonny. Where's Sonny? Is he under the table? Go under the table. See if Sonny's under there. Is he under there?
Nope.
Yo, Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.
What do you want to do there, kid? You know Sonny, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sonny's my boy, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sunny one.